Hi, my name is Dr. Brooke Halboth with Airrosti, and today we're going to be going over 4 stretches and exercises for arthritis. We'll be going over 2 for the upper extremity and then 2 for the lower extremity. So let's get started. First, we're going to be talking about the upper extremity exercises. We're going to talk about a mobilizing exercise and a stabilizing exercise. The first one is called the corner Peck stretch. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find a corner in your home and you're going to place your hands on the walls. With your hands on the walls, you're going to stare at that corner and you're just going to slowly let your chest fall towards that corner. You should feel nice expansion in the chest as well as a stretch in the mid part of your back. You're going to hold this for 2 to 3 seconds and you're going to repeat this 10 times. The second upper extremity exercise is called a banded Fonzi. Traditionally, this exercise is done with a band, but if you don't have one at home, that's okay. I'm going to show you how to do it without one. Keeping your elbows fastened at your hips and creating a fist with your hands, you're going to slowly bring those fists outwards. You should feel again a nice expansion in the front of the chest, and then your shoulder blades should be dropping downwards. This is really going to help to set your scap and it's going to improve your posture. If you have a band, it's going to add that resistance to this exercise. You're going to do this exercise 10 times, and once you open your fist all the way, you're going to hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Now we're going to talk about the lower extremity exercises. Again, we're going to start with a mobilizing exercise and then jump into a stabilizing exercise. The first mobilizing exercise is a hip flexor stretch. So go ahead and get down on one knee, making sure that you're maintaining a nice 90-degree angle at the knee that's in the front. What you're going to do is keeping your hands at your hips, you're going to contract your glutes and just slightly lean forward. This leaning forward should allow for you to feel a nice stretch in the front of that hip. You're going to hold this stretch for about 5 to 10 seconds and you're going to repeat this 10 times. For the last exercise, we're going to be doing a dead bug, which is a stabilizing exercise. So the first thing you're going to do is lie on your back. You're going to bring your knees and your hips to a 90-degree angle. There are a couple of ways to do this. We're going to do the modified version first. So keeping your knees in the air, you're going to slowly bring your heels down to tap the floor. And then you're going to bring that knee back to meet the other knee. You're going to alternate legs and you're going to do this until you've hit the ground 10 times on each side. For the second modification of this exercise, instead of allowing the heels to hit the ground, you'll actually keep your knee locked out and let that leg slide all the way down to the ground. You're going to repeat this exercise 10 times on each leg. For the third modification, what you're going to do is alternate your legs and your arms. So as your right leg goes down, again keeping the knee locked out, your left arm is going to go backwards. So you're going to keep your leg straight and your arm straight. You're going to bring both of the legs and the arms back to that neutral position, and then you're going to switch. Again, you're going to repeat this exercise until you've done 10 on each side. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that these exercises and stretches were useful for you. If you or a loved one are experiencing any signs or symptoms of arthritis, go ahead and give Airrosti a phone call today. If you want to check out some of our other videos, go ahead and click here and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here. We'll see you in the next video.